Alright, it's me again. Hope everyone's alright and doing their thing, keeping safe. Anyway, what I'm going to talk about today. It's Sunday and I'm not working today. But this is what I've been doing. I want to talk about this Spotless water, the Spotless water stations. Because for years I've been making my own water, and I've actually got a video up. Yeah, I got a video up about it. How it goes through 3 canisters and then into my tank. I've been doing it that way for years. Anyway, they put a new Spotless water station in Birmingham, near the West Brom ground. If you come off the big island, go onto the West Brom ground. Come off the big island, you go onto the West Brom ground. You look right. There's a petrol station, BP petrol station. It's just before there. And why I'm talking about it is because about a month ago, there was a maintenance guy there, and they had the doors open, and I was obviously had to be nosy, didn't I? I pulled up and I had a look. It says, "I'll come to fill up." And he says, "Well, it's not working. I'm doing maintenance on it." I said, "Well, can I have a look inside?" And he showed me the inside. When I seen all the filters in there, I thought, right, I'm gonna have to test this water. So I've gone on the website, and I know you all know this, but they give you a free £20, to join up. And bear in mind, they're not sponsoring me because I'm not big enough. My channel's not big enough to get sponsorship. So they give you a free £20 to join up. So I've got the free £20, haven't I? And for years, I've been putting that chemical Vision in my tank before I fill up. And when I fill up, it probably takes me 15-20 minutes, which I thought was quick. So they give me the free £20. I've gone down there, I put the little bit of Vision in my tank. And remember, my tank's only a 280 tank. I put the Vision in, haven't I? Which the Spotless water people should have said, don't put no Vision in there. Because I've gone down there and they've explained to you, as you all know, which I didn't know, it's like a petrol pump. They didn't tell you that it comes out quicker than a petrol pump, because when I put this nozzle into my tank, I could not believe the speed that this water was coming out. It just shot out of this out of the handle. What happens? Soap suds everywhere. I couldn't believe it. I tried to push, I tried to slow it down. I tried to push it to the side so it flows down the tank. Oh my God. There's suds everywhere. Oh dear. I think I reached halfway in my 280 tank and I had to stop. I just had to stop and go home because the suds started coming out of the tank. Anyway, so it took me about twice going up there to get rid of these suds, because I filled it up full of suds and then I had to fill it up again. But I gotta, something, I've been using my own water for years. They give me a free £20, and did you know I've topped up another £20, because maybe the water's just the same what I make. It's got to be better, but the speed that water comes out at is for me is absolutely incredible. And this water station is only probably about 1.5 miles from where I live, so it looks like they might have hooked me onto their water. Oh, the speed, I'm just so impressed with it. And I know you're probably all there thinking, well, you've been doing it for years. Well, I haven't. And it really is good. It's more expensive than using my resin, but the speed, I think these Spotless water people, if they told people what was, if they opened the doors and showed what was on the inside, I'm sure a load of window cleaners will go down there and use that. It's just the speed of that. It's just too fast. I'm sure I could fill up that. I filled up my tank. That's not 5 minutes. It's not 5 minutes. Yeah, I'm really impressed with that. I'm still going to use the resin every now and again, but since I'm so close to that tank, you know, that water station, I'm going to start using that. Because at the end of the day, you get a receipt for it, and I'm just so impressed with it. So that's all. Yeah, that's all I wanted to talk about today. Bigging up these Spotless water people, even though they're not sponsoring me. But, you know. And all you window cleaners knew about all this from years ago. I didn't know. So, it looks like they got a new customer. Anyway, that's all I gotta speak. That's all I gotta say. Like, share, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.